Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to boost your post on X. So we are now able to run ads on X using your mobile phone, so you could now boost your post. So we're going to cover this for your iPhone device and also for your Android device. All right, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. So let's jump right straight into this video. Okay, so we'll launch X. Okay, so make sure you're logged into the right account you want to use. Then you visit your profile at the top left. Click on your profile picture at the top left. Then you click on profile. So where you're going to find all your posts, or maybe you just posted now, whichever one. So we are going to select one of these posts we want to build, we want to boost. Okay, so let's use this one. Okay, so we click on this. Okay, so you can see boost post at the top right. So we'll click on boost. Okay, so click on continue. So these are the different pricing you could try. So depending on what you want to do. So this is region. You can also search for a location or boost globally. So you could also boost globally. Click on boost globally. Or you select only maybe US if you want to target only United States. So you see, so it depends on what you want to achieve. You can also target only Nigerians if you want. So you could go for this or any higher amount you want, then click on boost post. Then you pay. So you launch the X app. Next, click on your profile picture at the top left to visit your profile. Then you click on profile again. Next, you select any of these posts you want to use. All right, so let's say if you want to use this one, you click on it, then you click on boost. All right, so you could select a budget. So do you want daily budget $10, or you could also set duration if you want. So make sure you've also subscribed for X Premium. Next, you can select the region. You could go global or search for specific locations. We'll just continue with Nigeria. You could also target US, United States if you want. Okay, but let's just continue with Nigeria. Okay, then you select the payment method. You could also add a new payment method. Once you're done, you hit the boost post button. So once you're done, you hit the boost post button, and that's all.